How to update TextNow app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Next, tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type TextNow and press enter. You will see the TextNow app listed in the search result. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. If you don't see the update button, it means your app is already up to date with the latest version. Tap on the update button and the latest version of TextNow will start downloading automatically. The update process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the update is complete, open the TextNow app to enjoy the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Keeping your app updated ensures a smoother experience and access to new functionalities. Now you know how to update the TextNow app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.